Oh, you think? Well, Tammy here has a super long tongue that she uses to slurp the jelly right out. Oh, cool!
Hey, everyone! It's our favorite time of day! It's playtime!
Ooh, playtime!
Oh, come on! Come help me get the rest of the gang. You know what? You two can go ahead, but I'm staying right here. Do yourself, Landon, come on! Oh, what? What? Yeah, I see you. Now go away. No, I don't want to shake your paw. Oh, I already told them I'm not playing with any animals. What are you doing? Ew! Leave me alone! So up here. Hey! You're getting me all dirty! Now listen up. Do you see my purse over there? It has turkey in it. Do you want me to spray you with it? Hey, what are you doing? That's my purse! Come on, Landon! This is going to be so much fun! Look, the poodle!
Hey guys, gotta check out my new dog.
Hey! Doctor here's got a few moves of his own too. Ready, Stone Doctor?
We got to roll now!
That's the butter.
Hey, have anybody seen that dog with my purse? Hey, Nikki, you're just in time to play with the animals. Oh no, I'm not playing with any animals. Come on, walk forward. Alex will do the rest. What? Oh, Chloe! I think that's what that dog Tiffany was trying to show me earlier. Look at that. I did it.
That was great, Nikki. Now you can check out Rico's fancy dance move. She just go out.
All right, Sarah's got her skills. She wants to show off too. You ready, Sarah? You ready?
Awesome. Hey, Landon, you want to play?
Okay.
All right. Well, this is my friend Tarzan, and he loves playing football. Guess what position?
What?
The ball.
Oh, ball. Let's see here. Awesome. Do I have any receivers up there? Anyone along? All right, Tarzan, we're going along, buddy. Here we go. There's a fake out like Tarzan.
Look, hey guys, over here.
This is the amazing Sylvester. Check out what he can do. No way.
Oh, Landon, you want to do one more?
Sure.
Well, this is Monkey, and he loves to shoot hoops.
Well, hey there, monkey. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Shoot the moose.
All right, everyone, we need your help on this one. We're all going to count the hoops for Monkey. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Nikki, you want to try something really daring? You know what? I think I do. Well, then why don't you try to catch Hobo? Catch Hobo? Oh, but where's he going? Catch him all the way up there? Okay, Hobo. You jump and I'll catch. We did it! Oh, wow. That was cool. Bye, I'll see you later. That wasn't so bad. Oh, Tiffany. You brought back my purse. Thank you. That was so sweet. But it feels kind of heavy. What's in here? Oh, Tiffany. Oh, is this a present? A present for me? Oh, thank you, Tiffany. That's so sweet. Let's go. That was so much fun.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Okay, so to signal your boat, I thought we could use a flare.
Okay.
Whoa!
Who's that?
That's Ebenezer.
ready, buddy? Here's one. Get picked. One more.
You know, these guys can fly almost as high as an airplane.
What's that thing under his neck?
It helps them breathe. Bye, Ann!
Bye, dude!
Oh, so I thought we'd use the flare so when the boat... Oh, no. Oh, we have some fireworks. Do you think you could make one?
Make a flare?
Yeah.
Sure.
Great. I'll go see where the boat is. Call if you need help.
Let's see here. Oh no, fireworks! That'll be a great start to my flare. Hey, little dude. That was awesome. Your name's Maynard, right? Well, you know, Maynard, you've been on this island longer than I have. I bet you know how to make a flare. Do you want to help me out? Well, great. Wait a minute. You don't think I can do it myself? Yeah, well, you're probably right about that. Well, look, I got this old firework here. I thought that would be a great start, but I don't know what to do next. Hey, what do you think? Ooh, some gunpowder? That's a great idea, buddy. Gosh, you're smart. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I mean, it makes sense, right? You need gunpowder to make a flare. Some more gunpowder, huh? I like the way you think. You know what? I bet we could get a really big bang with 3 bags of gunpowder. I mean, honestly, what's the worst thing that could happen, right? I mean, come on! Don't be so dramatic. What are you, a Brady bird? Let's see, are you really dead? Yeah, stiff as a board. Alright, buddy, enough goofing around. I really need to get that flare made before the boat comes back. You know, I think I saw some more stuff back there. Do you want to come and help me finish it? What do you think? Well, I'll take that as a yes. You know what? I'm starting to like this island more and more. Come on, buddy.